Are you worried about your financial future? Do you want to make smarter financial decisions in 2024? In an ever-changing world, the importance of personal finance management cannot be overstated. It's about having the power to make your money work for you, and the knowledge to navigate the financial landscape with confidence. In this video, we'll be exploring the wisdom of renowned financial experts like David Ramsey, Suze Orman, and Tony Robbins. We'll also be drawing insights from popular figures such as Warren Buffett, Oprah Winfrey, and Bill Gates. Moreover, we'll delve into the teachings of influential books like The Richest Man in Babylon, The Millionaire Next Door, and Your Money or Your Life. And let's not forget the valuable lessons we can glean from movies such as The Pursuit of Happiness, The Big Short, and Hidden Figures. So, stay tuned as we dive into some of the best financial advice out there. First, let's turn to some of the most trusted voices in personal finance. These financial experts have helped millions navigate the often tumultuous waters of personal finance, and their advice is invaluable for anyone looking to get a handle on their money in 2024. David Ramsey, a renowned personal finance guru, has made waves with his debt-free blueprint. Ramsey advocates for budgeting as a cornerstone of financial stability. According to him, a well-thought-out budget is your roadmap to financial freedom, enabling you to allocate your resources effectively and make informed decisions. He also emphasizes the importance of debt elimination. Debt, in Ramsey's view, is a chain that holds you back from reaching your financial goals. Therefore, he encourages his followers to pay off their debts as quickly as possible, freeing up more of their income for saving and investing. Speaking of investing, Ramsey is a firm believer in smart, informed investing as a path to wealth accumulation. His strategies often focus on mutual funds and diversification to spread risk. Switching gears, let's talk about Suze Orman. A financial advisor, author, and television personality, Orman has empowered countless people to take charge of their financial destiny. One of her key pieces of advice is the importance of having an emergency fund. According to Orman, an emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, protecting you from unexpected expenses and giving you peace of mind. She also frequently talks about the power of compound interest. Compound interest allows your money to grow exponentially over time, turning small, regular investments into a significant sum. Orman's advice underscores the importance of starting to save and invest early, and letting time and compound interest do the heavy lifting. Last but certainly not least, we have Tony Robbins. An American author, speaker, and businessman, Robbins has helped countless individuals achieve financial success. One of his key messages is the importance of mindset in shaping one's financial journey. According to Robbins, our beliefs about money can either propel us towards wealth or hold us back. Therefore, he encourages his followers to cultivate a positive, growth-oriented mindset towards money. Robbins stresses the importance of believing in your ability to create wealth and taking action to make it happen. These experts offer valuable insights into managing your money effectively. Ramsey's emphasis on budgeting, debt elimination, and smart investing provides a practical, step-by-step guide to financial freedom. Orman's focus on emergency funds and the power of compound interest highlights the importance of planning for the unexpected and taking advantage of time to grow your wealth. Finally, Robbins' emphasis on mindset underscores the psychological aspects of money management and the power of self-belief in achieving financial success. By incorporating their advice into your financial plan, you can set yourself up for financial success in 2024 and beyond. Beyond financial gurus, other popular figures also have important financial wisdom to share. Let's dive into the financial philosophies of three such individuals who've made a mark in their respective fields: Warren Buffett, Oprah Winfrey, and Bill Gates. Warren Buffett, known as the Oracle of Omaha, is a legendary investor and the chairman of Berkshire Hathaway. Buffett is celebrated for his long-term investing and value investing strategies. He believes in the philosophy of buying shares in companies for less than their worth and holding onto them for as long as possible. This approach, he asserts, allows for steady, consistent growth and minimizes the risk associated with short-term market fluctuations. Buffett's wisdom teaches us not to chase quick profits but to invest in value and be patient. Switching gears, we come to Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul and philanthropist. Winfrey's journey from a life of poverty to becoming one of the world's wealthiest women is nothing short of inspiring. She has always been candid about her struggles with money and her path to financial freedom. Winfrey's advice on financial literacy emphasizes the importance of understanding your finances, making informed decisions, and setting achievable goals. Her journey is a testament to the fact that financial literacy is not just about making money, it's about understanding how to manage and grow it. Lastly, we look at Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, a name synonymous with technological innovation. Gates, however, is not just a tech giant, he is also a philanthropist who believes in the power of responsible investing. He has spoken extensively about using wealth for positive social change. Gates's philosophy is that those who have been fortunate enough to accumulate wealth have a responsibility to use it to help those less fortunate. This perspective prompts us to think about our finances not just in terms of personal gain, but also in terms of the impact we can make on the world. These popular figures show us that financial success is attainable with the right mindset and strategies. Whether it's Buffett's value investing, Winfrey's focus on financial literacy, or Gates' emphasis on philanthropic investing, they each offer a unique perspective on managing finances. They remind us that financial management is not just about accumulating wealth, it's also about using that wealth wisely and responsibly. So, as you navigate your financial journey in 2024, remember their wisdom and find the strategies that resonate with you. In the world of literature, there are several influential books that offer timeless financial wisdom. Let's delve into some of these, starting with The Richest Man in Babylon by George Clason. This classic imparts financial wisdom through a series of parables set in the ancient city of Babylon. It teaches the importance of living below your means, prioritizing savings, and investing wisely. The golden rules outlined in this book, such as "start thy purse to fattening" and "make thy gold multiply," emphasize the power of disciplined saving and the magic of compound interest. The book is a must-read for anyone looking to build a strong financial foundation. Moving on, we have The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley. This fascinating book breaks down the stereotype of millionaires living lavish lifestyles. Instead, it profiles the affluent as individuals who live well below their means, practice frugality, and invest smartly. The book reinforces the idea that wealth is not about earning more, but about spending wisely and investing strategically. It's a compelling read that challenges our societal notions of wealth and success. Last but not least, Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. This powerful book is more than just a guide to managing money. It's a call to redefine our relationship with money and to align our financial decisions with our values and life goals. The authors introduce the concept of life energy, the time and effort we put in to earn money. They encourage us to consider whether our spending aligns with the value of this life energy. The book is a profound exploration of how we can achieve financial independence and a fulfilling life. In summary, The Richest Man in Babylon teaches us the importance of saving and investing wisely. The Millionaire Next Door encourages us to live frugally and make smart financial decisions. Your Money or Your Life invites us to reconsider our relationship with money and to align our financial decisions with our personal values. These books provide a wealth of knowledge on personal finance and wealth accumulation. They don't promise quick riches or easy solutions. Instead, they offer profound insights into the principles of money management. They remind us that building wealth is a journey, not a destination. It's about making conscious decisions, practicing financial discipline, and understanding the true value of money. So, whether you're a financial novice or a seasoned investor, these books offer valuable lessons to help you master your money in 2024 and beyond. Movies, too, can offer valuable insights into financial management and wealth creation. Let's dive into the world of cinema and explore how the silver screen can not only entertain us, but also teach us valuable financial lessons. First, let's talk about The Pursuit of Happiness. Released in 2006, this biographical film follows the real-life story of Chris Gardner, a single father who, despite facing homelessness and abject poverty, manages to become a successful stockbroker. The film is a testament to the power of resilience, determination, and self-belief. It shows us that no matter how dire our financial situation may seem, with hard work and perseverance, we can overcome our circumstances and achieve financial success. Next, we have The Big Short. This 2015 film delves into the events leading up to the 2008 financial crisis. It highlights the role of complex financial instruments and risky investments in the collapse of the global economy. The movie serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of reckless investing and the importance of understanding the financial products we're investing in. It teaches us that knowledge is power, and in the world of finance, it can mean the difference between prosperity and ruin. Finally, there's Hidden Figures. This inspiring film, released in 2016, celebrates the story of Katherine Johnson, Dorothy Vaughan, and Mary Jackson, African-American mathematicians who played a crucial role in NASA's early space missions. While not a finance movie per se, Hidden Figures underscores the importance of breaking barriers and challenging societal norms. It reminds us that success is not determined by our circumstances, but by our determination, intelligence, and courage. These films remind us that financial literacy and success are within reach no matter your circumstances. They teach us valuable lessons about resilience, financial literacy, and the power of self-belief. So next time you're in the mood for a movie, why not pick one that entertains and educates? As we wrap up, remember that managing your finances is a journey, not a destination. It's a path paved with informed decisions, from budgeting and debt elimination to smart investing strategies. The experts we've discussed, like David Ramsey, Suze Orman, and Tony Robbins, each bring unique perspectives on this journey. Then we have popular figures such as Warren Buffett, Oprah Winfrey, and Bill Gates, whose life experiences and financial philosophies can inspire and guide us. We've also explored invaluable resources like The Richest Man in Babylon, The Millionaire Next Door, and Your Money or Your Life, books that share timeless financial wisdom. And let's not forget the powerful messages from films like The Pursuit of Happiness, The Big Short, and Hidden Figures. All these insights point towards the importance of building a strong financial foundation and setting long-term goals. With the right knowledge and strategies, you can take control of your financial future in 2024 and beyond. Thanks for watching.